Hello and welcome to Fit2Box channel, and today we have a title match for you between the Challenger, the Fighting Sports S2 Power Gloves, Power Bag Gloves, they're 18 ounce, and the Champion, Sabas Supersoft 16 ounce Velcro glove, the title holder and current champion. Okay, so we're going to do the 12 rounds, 10 points must system, exactly the same as in boxing. Each round will be marked at 10-9 in either favour. If there's a more significant difference, it'll be a 10-8 or a 10-7 round, which replicates boxing. Some of the rounds will be so close I will have to call it as a 10-10. Okay, let's start off, and we start off the first round, round 1, brand. Brand Fighting Sports, quite a well-known brand. I believe they're made by Title. They normally do some gloves that have got some good logos on their gloves. As you can see from the logo, it's almost like a little copy of the winning logo in terms of format and how it's laid out. But yeah, they are quite a well-known brand. The Sabas, massive growing reputation for quality gloves at affordable prices. Also, a few more actual professional boxers starting to use Sabas. So, round 1, brand is 10 points to the Sabas, 9 points to the Fighting Sports. Okay, round 2, wrist. On the Sabas, you've got a nice 3-inch strap, secures the wrist very well, and you've got there that lovely silvery cloth Sabas badge. Just to show you the open version of that, so you've got that there, and then you've also got the indicator on that wrist strap saying the weight of 16 ounce, but that is a really, really good Velcro. Just put that over there. Then when it comes to the Fighting Sports, I'll just show you around there, and that it's got a plasticky badge there, plastic badge, which is a little hard, but this bit here is padded nicely, which I do like. And then let me just show you that one opened up as well. So it's quite close on the wrists, I have to say, and for that reason we have got 10-10, round 2, wrist. Round 3, thumb. That thumb of the Sabas is very, very comfortable. It's all made of leather and is really, really comfortable when you put your hand inside. When it comes to the Fighting Sports, it's a little shorter, and also it's like a synthetic leather. It's got a nice little logo there. Got synthetic leather though, not full leather. You got that attachment there, and also you've got a really nice attachment on the Sabas. So this round, round 3, thumb is 10 points to the Sabas and 9 points to the Fighting Sports. Then we come to round 4, face of the glove. Face of the glove, as you can see, as you know, I do like to open my hands when I'm sparring so I can catch shots. The Sabas, you can open your hands easily to catch shots, whereas the Fighting Sports, you can't open the hand as much. There is some good ventilation on that palm, but there is sort of obviously bits of it that are a little bit more plasticky, whereas on the Sabas you've got full leather construction. You've got these 2 nice bars there of padding, a grip bar there which is really comfortable, and for that reason this is another round that goes Sabas's way. 10 to the Sabas and 9 to the Fighting Sports. Then we come on to round 5, knuckle area. This is a close round. The knuckle area on the Sabas is superb, really, really good. That's a 16 ounce glove, as I say. This is meant to be an 18-ounce glove, but actually when I've weighed it, it comes out at 16-ounce, not 18-ounce. But again, there's a good bit of padding on there, and I think that is more sort of used to be used as a bag glove rather than a sparring glove. But I am going to sort of, it's such a close round on the knuckle area, I am going to give it as a 10-10. Then we come on to round 6, stitching. The champion stitching, as you can see, is excellent, really well made glove. I'll show you that there, and I'll show you that there. Will last years and years. And then the stitching on the title has shocked me a little. I didn't think it would be as good as this is, but it is good stitching on there. And for that reason, I am going to give round 6 stitching a 10-10. Round 7, quality and durability. This glove, the Sabas, is 100% leather and it is made to last. This glove is, you know, it's leather there, it's got some synthetic leather as well. I do think that it's a sturdy glove. I mean, this particular glove has been used 2 or 3 times a week for at least 30 minutes on the heavy bag for a year. And as you can see, it's still in good shape. So that is testament to the durability of this glove. Again, for that reason, I'm going to give it a 10-10. Round 8, comfort. These gloves, this is a super comfortable glove. Really is nice to wear. As I've said already, the only thing that I would say about this one is that little bit shorter thumb, which I don't think is as comfortable as the Sabas, but as a whole, it is a comfortable glove. So I've already marked down this glove in the round for thumb. Because of that thumb, I'm not going to mark it down again. For comfort, I am going to give it a 10-10. Then it comes to round 9, style. As I've said before, I do like that fighting sports, they do seem to put some nice logos on their gear. I think it's a well thought out glove, especially when you come to even things like that, the fighting across the grip bar. I do like that. And then you've got this glove here, which to me it's super stylish, really is very nice. Do like the way that it looks, the colourway, also that silver bit on the back there. Style, I am going to hand that to the champion, the Sabas Supersoft. 10 points to 9 points, round 9 style. Round 10, protection. Great protection on the Sabas, also great protection on the fighting sports. There's very little shock after striking with both of these gloves, whether it be on the bag or whether it's with a sparring partner. They are very well padded in the right areas, in the knuckle area, the actual thumb, but also they've both got good wrists as previously mentioned. So protection, 10-10 round. Round 11, performance of the glove. This glove is brilliant in sparring, absolutely brilliant, really great glove. This glove, it feels really light. The fact that it's supposed to be an 18 ounce and it's not, it's a 16 ounce, but it does feel really light. You are unable to open the hand as much as in this glove. I would say that this is a great bag glove, that's undoubted. But in terms of performance of the glove for myself, I would say that is a 10-9 round to the Sabas Supersoft. Just a little point on the size. I mean, obviously, if this is an 18 ounce glove, this is a 16 ounce glove, and you can see there is very little difference in the actual shape and size of those two gloves. So I would have expected the 18 ounce to have been quite a significantly bigger glove, but it's not. As I say, it doesn't weigh 18 ounce anyway. Anyway, round 12, the final round, and we're looking at value for money. The champion, Sabas Supersoft, $109.99, $55 shipping to the UK. Obviously that would be much less if you were, say, in America. But that is £90 for the actual glove. The postage to the United Kingdom is about £45, as I say, less if it was going to, say, the States. But £90 glove there, which is fantastic value. This glove from Sugar Ray's, the price is £145. Okay, now for this round I have to say £145 for this glove or £90 for this glove. I would say that the Sabas glove is a better glove for 2/3 of the price of the fighting sport, and so for that reason I am going to give it 10 points to the Sabas Supersoft and 8 points for the fighting sport, almost like a knockdown in that round for the fighting sports, because £145 is a lot of money to justify when you can buy a glove for £90, which is better. Okay, so that is the end of that title match. We've gone through 12 rounds of comparison, and now we come to the decision. And the decision is this: 120 points to 113 points. And still, the Fit2Box Velcro glove champion is the Sabas Supersoft. 120 to 113, quite a convincing victory in the end for the Sabas glove. Retains its title, and it's going to take a hell of a glove to knock this off the top spot. Hope you enjoyed that. Please like and subscribe to Fit2Box channel. Plenty more title matches to come, reviews and interesting stuff that I'm going to be bringing to you. So keep watching and stay subscribed.